So one of the many ways that I'm able to make a source of income using the internet is with the help of various different Instagram accounts. So I thought, you know what, in today's video, what I'm going to do is go through all of the different steps that I wish I knew from day one, because it would have made the whole process a lot more easier. But before I get into anything, I just want to say that this video should not be taken as financial advice. All I'm going to be doing is simply sharing my own personal opinion and my own experience as to what I've been able to do to make money with Instagram. The results are not guaranteed, so treat this video as a form of entertainment or education. But I'm sure that if you're able to watch this entire video from start to finish, you're going to get a better understanding of what you can do when it comes to starting a side hustle with Instagram. So let's jump straight into one of the first steps that you need to take, which is that you need to know what type of Instagram account you would like to set up based on your own personal situation. Now, the good thing about Instagram is that there's so many different ways that you can do it, but with this comes a level of confusion that so many beginners face because they don't know which direction to go down. That's the reason why I created this quiz that you can see on the screen. It's completely free to use. I'm going to leave it linked down below. It's just going to take you through around 5, maybe 6 different questions. And by the end of it, you're going to get a customized business plan that you can use when it comes to making money with Instagram. So let's go through this together. The first question is, do you want to show your face on Instagram? So in this example, I'm going to say, no, I want to create faceless content, and then click on next. The next question is, what product or offer are you interested in selling the most? So you can either sell things like spreadsheets, digital guides, ebooks, physical products if you want to do drop shipping, affiliate products if you don't want to sell your own products. But the one that I'm going to click on in today's video is going to be B, digital guides or ebooks, and then click on next. What type of content do you want to create? So tips and tutorials, lifestyle, educational, infographics, product reviews. You've got all of these different options. I'm really good when it comes to giving, tutorial type content. So this is the one that I'm going to select and then click on next. What niche are you focused on the most? So this is going to be specific to you. Take a look at all of these different options and pick the best one, because it's very important to make sure that whatever type of side hustle you think about starting, it's going to be one that you're passionate about, because this is going to get you through the hard times and also allow you to go past any obstacles that you're definitely going to face. So I'm going to select personal finance and budgeting. And finally, the last question is, where would you prefer to sell or monetize from? Now, of course, Instagram is a platform that you can earn Instagram bonuses and direct monetization, but the main way that I've been able to make money with Instagram is by selling my own product or service using external platforms. So you can either do that by using your own website, or you can use a platform like Teachable. There's so many different platforms out there that you can use. These are some of the main ones that I've personally used. So I'm just going to say that I would like to monetize with my own website. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, it's now come back with this entire prompt. So you don't necessarily need to read it. All you need to do is just copy all of the information that's underneath this line all the way down to the bottom. Just copy it just like that. Then what you need to do is just open up a AI tool like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, whichever one that you feel more comfortable using, and just paste the prompt in here just like this, and then click on enter. And within a few seconds, it should come back with a fully detailed, customized business plan based on the answers that you selected in the quiz. It's going to help you when it comes to getting your Instagram page up and running in the easiest way possible. So it's going to come back with the monetization strategy and give you full information on the best way to make money from your Instagram account. The content plan, growth strategy, the best tools to use. It's also going to come back with some recommended Instagram names, as well as the steps that you need to follow and a checklist so that you have done everything in the best way possible. Now, one of the things that I would recommend that you do as soon as you've got your customized business plan is to make sure that the name for your new Instagram is available, because this is going to be the initial thing that you need to make sure that you secured before you move over to any other step. So if you come over to ChatGPT, it's going to give you all of these different Instagram handles. Now, you don't necessarily need to choose any one of these. Of course, you can just come up with the name yourself. But if you're stuck on what to call your new business, you can just come over here and pick any one of them. Now, the one that I'm going to pick is number 16, Smart Save Journey. It goes in line with the type of Instagram page I'm looking to build up. It's going to be centered around personal finance, and I'm going to be selling some sort of an educational personal finance guide. So what I'm going to do is just open up Instagram just like this, and I'm just going to type in this Instagram handle and see if it's available. So Smart Save Journey just like this. And right there, as you can see, it is available. So from here, what I'll do is just click on next, follow through with the steps and make sure that I've secured it. But once you've done that, the next step that you need to take is to start the process of creating your digital product. So we're going to be using Gamma.app. I've got all the links down below. You're going to be able to find all of the direct links in the business plan as well. But as you can see over here, it's going to give you a prompt that you're going to use when it comes to making your educational product. So you're going to find it in the business plan. You're just going to copy the prompt just like this. Then go over to your Gamma account, click on generate, and it's going to be from here that you're now going to paste the prompt in here just like this. I would recommend increasing the length of it because you want to try and add as much value as possible. I would put 50 cards, but I don't want this video to be too long. So what I'm going to do is select 15 cards just so that I can illustrate how it works. Then what I'm going to do is just click on generate outline. It's going to be from here that Gamma is going to create the units or the modules that's going to go in the educational guide. So if you want to make any changes to it, you're going to be able to easily do that. But as you can see, it's come back with modules and steps. For example, reducing debt, building wealth, improving credit score, tracking expenses efficiently, smart saving strategies, just everything anyone needs to know when it comes to improving their personal finances. So I'm just going to scroll down here, select the best theme. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to say that I want it to be detailed, and then I'm just going to click on generate. And there you go. As you can see, Gamma has already gone to work to start building out this educational digital product. Tools like this still amaze me till today, because if I had to sit here and make this educational guide myself, I would have been here for maybe the next week, 2 weeks, especially if you're a complete beginner. It would have taken you a long time to know how to structure it in the best possible way. So this definitely takes a lot of work off your hands. And the thing about most digital products that people are selling, they're structured in this way, using presentation slides just like this. Now, of course, once it's finished doing it, you're going to need to go through it, read through it, make sure that you're completely happy with it. And I would say that another thing that you should do when it comes to adding more value to your educational product is to add some sort of a voiceover as well. Using something like 11 Labs, you're going to be able to copy the information in this educational product, go over to 11 Labs, and from there, you're going to be able to combine an AI generated voice with your educational product. But once you've completed your digital product, whatever you're thinking about doing, your ebook, your guide, the next step after that, according to this business plan, is to set up your website. And the platform that I'd recommend that you use for this is going to be Hostinger. Again, you're going to be able to find a direct link to Hostinger directly within the business plan on ChatGPT. If not, you could just check the resources in my description down below so that you go over to the right place. But what you're going to need to do first and foremost is just copy the prompt right here that's within the business plan. From there, what you need to do is create an account with Hostinger. So the way that you can do that is just by clicking on Claim Deal, coming over here to Business Website Builder, clicking on Choose Plan. Make sure that you select the period that you're happy with. If you select the longest period, you're going to be able to get more bonuses and more discounts. But it's completely up to you in terms of which one you want to select. And from there, what you're going to do is just click on continue. Once you've created your account, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to claim your free domain. So I'm just going to click on claim domain, and I'm going to type in the exact same name that I chose for the Instagram handle, which is smartsavejourney.com. I'm just going to make sure that it's available by checking availability. Okay, perfect. It is available, and I'm not going to have to pay a single penny. And you're not going to have to pay a single penny or dollar when it comes to getting your domain if you use Hostinger with the link that I've already provided. It should then take you to this page where you're going to be able to create your website using the description from the business plan. So I'm just going to paste it in there just like that and say that I want to, add this section so that I can sell my digital products, and then click on create a website. And there we go. The website has now been built. As you can see, it looks amazing, it looks clean, and it's going to be with this website that you're going to use when it comes to selling all of the different ebooks, all of the different guides, and you're also going to be able to have a blog section as well when it comes to monetizing in a number of different ways. So literally you saw me go from not knowing what type of Instagram page I would like to start to eventually having the name set up, having a product ready to sell, as well as having a website that I'm going to be able to list multiple different digital products on. And it goes without saying that when you've built your website, you're going to be able to make any changes to it. If I just come back over here, click on the home page, if I want to change the video that you can see in the background, I can easily do that just by clicking on edit section. Same thing goes with all of the placeholder text at the bottom. For example, the telephone number, the email address, if I want to update the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter links, I'm going to be able to easily do that. Hostinger has basically made it super easy when it comes to customizing this website. You can build the website within a few seconds, edit the website within a few seconds, and once you're happy with it, you're going to be able to make it go live within a few seconds as well. But of course, once you've gotten to the point of making your digital product, listing it on your website for people to start buying, the step that comes after that is to start the process of creating content. And the way that you're going to be able to make faceless content that's going to be posted to your Instagram page is going to be with the help of InVideo AI. So you can find the link to it in the description or within the business plan itself. So once you've clicked that link, you're going to create your account by coming over here to AI sign up. It's super easy to get registered, probably takes a few minutes, and once you have, it's going to take you over to this page over here. And just to give you some insight into why I recommend using InVideo AI, especially if you're looking to start a faceless Instagram page, is because you can use it when it comes to creating as many short form videos that you want. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your own voice. All you're literally going to do is just type in a prompt into this box right here and then click on generate a video. So let me quickly walk you through how it works. So if I was looking to make a short form video for Instagram Reels, the way that I would do that is by clicking on short video right here, then tell it that I want to make a fast paced video for Instagram Reels. And all I'm going to need to do is just paste the topic in this box. And if you already know what type of videos you want to make, you can just type it in yourself. But that's where the business plan is going to come in, because you could just come over here and get any one of these different prompts to make any faceless piece of content. Now, the one that I'm going to pick is number 7, how to build an emergency fund from scratch. This topic is going to go hand in hand with the type of digital product that I'm selling. So I'm just going to paste it in there just like that. You've got the option to either use stock media or AI generated clips. I'm just going to keep it simple and select stock media. I'm then going to say that I want it to have subtitles. I want it to be this one. I want it to have background music. And I also want the actor's voice to be a clear American voice. And once you've done that, literally all you got to do from that point is just click on generate a video, and it should be completed within a minute or so. Okay guys, so I'm back and it was able to make that video fairly quick. I selected a 30-second video because I just want to show you how it works. You may want to select a 1-minute video so that you can provide more value, but it's completely up to you. So I'm just going to play the entire video right now, just so that you know the quality of videos that you're going to be able to make if you wanted to go away and use InVideo AI yourself.
Stop procrastinating. Start saving today. Your future self will thank you. Building an emergency fund might sound daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start by setting a small, achievable goal, like saving 500 pounds. Automate your savings so you won't even miss the money. Cut back on a few non-essentials. Skip that daily latte maybe. And voila, you're on your way. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but how consistently you do it. Start today and give your future self the gift of financial security.
And there you go. I'm sure that you're blown away at how amazing that looked. Literally all I did is just paste the prompt from the business plan and it was able to do that. And I'm going to be able to do that over and over again when it comes to uploading 3 to 4, maybe even 5 pieces of content every single day. And I do need to say that when it comes to building up an Instagram page, you don't want to think about trying to monetize straight away. You want to be as consistent as possible when it comes to uploading content, building up engagement, building up followers. But on the other hand, if you did want to put a link in your bio to whatever product, your website, whatever option that you selected in the business plan, you're also going to be able to do that too. Don't forget, if you wanted the full details of, how to grow, the best ways to use keywords, hashtags, collaborations, influencer marketing. It's going to be tools like Google Gemini, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT that's going to be able to help you when it comes to your customized business plan. In this video, I just wanted to give you the general overview of what you need to know when it comes to getting started. If you wanted a more in-depth video where I actually go into my phone and I make an Instagram account from scratch, it is really easy to do. That's why I didn't show you how to do it in this video. Just go over to Instagram. In terms of the app, you're going to look for the Instagram handle, make sure that it's available, go through the process of adding your bio, making an image on Canva. Make sure that everything is branded well, and then just simply start uploading the videos that you're able to export from InVideo AI. Just make sure that when you do start exporting videos from InVideo AI, you just click on download just like this. Make sure that you've upgraded your account so that there's no watermarks, so that at least this way you're going to be able to give your content a professional look. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've gotten any value, or you've just enjoyed it, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you wanted to get a little bit more information on the best approach when it comes to starting a side hustle and you wanted to enroll in a completely free business crash course, I'm going to leave that link down below, top link in the description. With that crash course for the next 5 days, I'm going to send an email personally into your inbox, breaking down what you need to do each day when it comes to building the business of your dreams. And if you also wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I go through some other ways that you're able to use a simple laptop and internet connection when it comes to building up an online business from the comfort of your own home, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this because that video has helped out thousands of people, and I'm sure that it can help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.